it just updated that record in Supabase. We can see what it did. It updated Tom to Bill. And then if I go back over here, look at customers, we see that it's now Bill. So this is super handy if you have anyone on your team who's non-technical and doesn't feel comfortable, editing a database either with something like a Postgres admin tool or in Supabase directly, and you just want to use something easy like Google Sheets. So here I am in Whalesync, and I'm just setting up a sync between a sample Supabase database that I have with Google Sheets. If we look over in Supabase, you can see that I have customers, orders, and products. It's just a sample set of data. Basically, you might have your own database where you're managing things like this. And then over here, I created a completely blank Google Sheet. All it is I gave it a title to kind of indicate, okay, this is what I'm going to use the sheet for. And then over here in Whalesync, I connected that Supabase database to that Google Sheet. And then right away, it loaded the tables from Supabase and says that it's going to auto-create the tabs in Google Sheets. Here, I'm going to create table mappings. Awesome. And now it loaded all the tables and it created them in Google Sheets. And so if I go back over here, you can see that those tabs have been created. And this initial tab is still there. And I'm just going to move that over. I'll delete it at the end. But we have customers, order, items, orders, and products, exactly what we have in Supabase. So back over here, just going to keep going. It auto maps a bunch of fields. That's great, including the ID field so that we can always say, okay, this is the item in Supabase that corresponds to the item in Google Sheets. Save and continue. Actually, I'm just going to double check everything looks all right. Yeah. Everything looks great. Because the sheet is completely blank, it doesn't need to do kind of what is known as initial sync, where it reconciles the records that are already existing in two different data sources. It doesn't have to do that, so I'm just going to turn it on. Cool. And then right away, it starts syncing things into Google Sheets and loading them here. And if we go here, they're already here. So now comes the fun part. I'm going to let that sync for a second just to kind of finish. Okay, so it finished. And now I'm going to start editing records here in Google Sheets. So let's say I want to change someone's name. Then I can change like Tom to Bill. And then change his email address. And then over here in Whalesync, it will pick that up. Normally it picks it up in 5 minutes, but then I'm just going to scan right away so that it picks it up immediately. And it just updated that record in Supabase. We can see what it did. It updated Tom to Bill. And then if I go back over here, look at customers, we see that it's now Bill. That's it. It's that simple. Again, I'm Curtis, founder of Whalesync, and hope that was helpful. I'll see you next time.